Let's say you recently bought a Chevy C10 as a project truck and you're ready to jump down the rabbit hole with it. Well, depending on the condition that your truck is in, you might have to end up, removing the cab or the bed to be able to clean up the frame, or even to make your new modifications a lot easier to install. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the bed on a 67 to 72 Chevy C10. Before we go ahead and jump into the removal process, I do want to let you guys know to go ahead and actually spray all of the mounting bolts with like a PB blaster the night before to make the job a little bit easier. Also, have a grinder on standby. These bolts could be pretty rusty and you might actually have to cut them off. Also, keep in mind that this is a very heavy part of the truck, so have a group of friends nearby to be able to help you lift the bed. And if you don't have a group of friends, you can always make or purchase a bed lifter, and it simply bolts to the bed, you hook it up to an engine hoist, and then lift the bed off from there. But let's go ahead and jump into the removal process. To start this process off, we're going to go ahead and get under the truck and remove our mounting bolts. Now that we have all the hardware removed, before we go ahead and remove the actual bed, we'll just disconnect the wiring harness here, move that out of the way, and now we're ready to go. So as you can see, we got the bed off of our C10. Struggled a little bit, but in the end, nobody got hurt, so that's all that matters. And now with the bed off, it's easy to be able to do any of those modifications that you're planning on doing. And while it's off, it's a good thing to go ahead and actually just clean up the frame and everything else. And you can go ahead and spray like a paint or a coating over the frame to make sure it's protected over the years. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out the link in the description for all your classic truck part needs.